gentlemen, how are you today? How was your stay? Alright, today we have Bali tour. It's Stockholm, it's EM. But before we start the tour, make sure that you have your breakfast and check your bags. Alright, if you're down, please follow me into the bus. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nice to meet you again. I'm Tri Aryani from Smarta Tour and Travel, and I'm glad to be today in Bali. And let me introduce our crew. On my left side is Mr. Arya as a professional driver, and on my right side is Mr. Krishna as an assistant driver. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Bali Tour. For the first destination, we will visit Tirthampul Temple tourist attraction in Bali. Tirthampul Temple. Tirthampul Temple opening hours starting from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. But it is for nothing that is done according to Hindu's religious holiday. And to enter the Tirthampul Temple, visitor must pay an entry ticket of 50,000 for one person. And before we enter the temple area, we must wear full clothes and use a common or sari. Well, ladies and gentlemen, and this is the Tirthampul Temple. Tirthampul Temple is the name of temple located in Manukayu Village, Tamparsering District, Gianyar Regency, and Bali Province. The distance from the temple to Denpasar City Center is 42 kilometers, with a travel time of around 1 hour 45 minutes. And Tirthampul Temple was discovered in 296 AD. And one of the main attractions of Tirthampul Temple is a unique building concept, has a 30 spring and clear water spring for to clean yourself. And this temple has three parts, namely Nistha Mandala or outer part temple, Madhya Mandala or middle part temple, and Uttama Mandala or main part of the temple. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I want to tell you a little story about Tirthampul Temple. The history of Tirthampul Temple mentioned in the Kakawin book by Dangya Amirata, which was about the victory of Good Indra and his troop in the battle against King Mayadinewar. For the purpose of war, Good Indra, which is a sacred staff, created a holy spring, which we know as Tirthampul. At the time, this spring was used for cleansing oneself, removing this green, and for purpose traditional Balinese. Well, ladies and gentlemen, and now we are in the Nistha Mandala or Outer Part Temple. At Nistha Mandala or Outer Part Temple, you will see several buildings that are very suitable for taking photos. One of them is the Bentak Temple and the Wantilan Hall building, which is very large and majestic. And in Nistha Mandala, there are several food vendors, so you don't have to worry about going hungry within the temple area. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, and now we will go to the Madhya Mandala or the middle part of the temple. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at the Madhya Mandala or the middle part of the temple. So, this is where people will carry out the process cleansing and purification themselves from negative aura. And in Madhya Mandala, there are two pools containing 30 fountains. The going process began the Pusinchana on its existing fountains. After that, wash your face 3 times, gargle 3 times, and drink 3 times. Next, cover your hand over your chest and will flying. Well, ladies and gentlemen, and now we will go to the Uttama Mandala or the main part of the temple. Well, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Uttama Mandala or the main part of the Tirthampul Temple. The Uttama Mandala is the main part of the temple where there are several shrines for the worship of the Ida Sang Hyang Widi God and for manifestation. There are also several traditional Balinese Bali buildings such as Balai Prisan, Balai Pemereman, Balai Pawedan, Balai Prisan Dewa, Gedong Pengapit, Gedong Dewa, Balai Pemereman, Gedong Limas, Gedong Sari, and Balai Pengaruman. Today's tour has finished. Did you enjoy today's tour? Alright, just reminding you tomorrow we have a full day tour starting from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. For the first destination, we will visit Penglipuran Village and secondly is Trunyan Village. Alright, I think that's enough. Thank you for your time and attention and see you next tomorrow. And bye.